So I just got my Sebbo wristband that I backed a long time ago on Kickstarter. Gotta be careful with it. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, that's a cool cable. There we go. It's designed to like wrap around your wrist or other things. And this is the charging cable with it. It's a nice orange color. So now the first thing to test is to see if this works. Not sure what this is for. So looks like you're just supposed to press. Could be that it's dead, but that's what I was saying if you're shipping the battery. Green. That's cool. So that at least works. Let's try being really careful and undo this, if I can. So this is what it looks like on the inside. And then one side of this has the charging part. Yeah. So that side's the charging part. So it may be dead. I'm going to try plugging it in and see if that works. And then I'll upload another video of it working if it does. But thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.